Daniel and Laura London is marketed as a fashion brand with a name and branding that suggests a British boutique offering stylish clothing and timeless designs. The website creates the impression of a London-based retailer, but the real question is it actually British? Now, to be fair, many online fashion stores use city names like London in their branding. That alone does not prove the business is based in the UK. What it does well, the clothing looks stylish. Professional product photos create a premium fashion image. The website appears polished. A modern e-commerce design makes browsing simple and appealing, where the concerns start appearing. A London name doesn't prove a UK business. This is the biggest issue. Many online retailers use British-inspired branding without actually operating in the United Kingdom. Product photos don't guarantee real-world quality. Marketing images may not always match what customers receive. Independent reputation may be limited. A lack of public history can make reliability harder to judge. So, is Daniel and Laura London actually British? Short answer, not necessarily. The name and branding alone are not enough to confirm that the business is genuinely based in the United Kingdom. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.